Okay, our next components. This is a reed switch, which is a magnetically operated switch. I don't know if you can actually see that. How it opens and closes when you put the magnet to it. What happens is in there, the magnet will actually pull one of the legs to make contact with the next. Now this application is used on multiple machines, as to where you can have a tiny electromagnet next to a micro reed switch, as to where that electromagnet will be energized, causing a magnetic field which will draw that together. And it's ever so slight, but you can see it with this magnet. Now next is a capacitor, which is essentially an electronic reservoir. The next is a diode, and you notice with a diode you'll have a stripe on one end and black on the other end. That stripe, consider it as a wall for voltage. The voltage is coming this way and it hits that wall, so it's not going to continue. Now if you have voltage coming this way, okay, you don't have a wall on this end, so it'll allow it to pass in that direction. Now the next little component is an LED, a light emitting diode. And here again, just like on this one, you have an anode and a cathode. You have an anode, which typically, if you see them new, the anode will be longer than the cathode. There again, this will only flow current in one direction. It is a diode, but it is a light emitting diode. Now the next item here is a resistor. This is a carbon resistor, and the color codes dictate the amount of resistance. And the last one is an integrated circuit. Now integrated circuit is a rather intriguing device. You have you can have thousands of these components in microscopic scale built into that, and it's attached onto a PCB, a printed circuit board, with each one of these legs to complete a different circuit. So now our questions concerning this is: A is a reed switch. That is true. We already reviewed that. B is a diode. No, that's a capacitor. The next question is: C is a capacitor. That is a diode. And D is a light emitting diode. That is correct. We reviewed that quickly. And the next, F, is an integrated circuit. That is correct. Right there. So that's all for this particular component.